Hawar and I work as senior teacher in Mahatma Gandhi Government School. Here I am going to represent my topic on social awareness, that is child marriage and dowry system. First of all, before starting my topic, I would like to introduce about marriage. What is marriage? Marriage is an integral part of society, a source of joy and festive as well as of new beginning. Now, शादी का मतलब क्या होता है हम सभी जानते हैं. शादी मतलब एक न्यू शुरुआत होती है, नई जर्नी होती है. पर शादी के साथ में कुछ सोशल इवल्स भी एसोसिएटेड है, जैसे कि डाउरी सिस्टम और चाइल्ड मैरिज. नाउ ये टॉपिक उठाने का मेरा एक सिंपल मकसद है ताकि मैं सभी के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकूँ. ये टॉपिक हम बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत अभी भी है. सो I would like to introduce my topic now. So let's start with topic child marriage. It refers to any formal or informal union of a child under the age of 18 and an adult or other child. While reason of child marriage vary widely depending on culture and geographical reasons. It may be poverty, gender inequality, social norms, safety concern about girl-child, or economical or social pressures can be seen. Okay. This practice was not in there in India from beginning. We get to see its information after the arrival of Aryans. Nowadays, 22 to 2013, 8 states have higher prevalence of child marriage. Among them, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Tripura at the top of the list, and Rajasthan with 40% child marriage rate stand in middle of the list, and with 0.4% cases in 2009. Jammu and Kashmir has lowest child marriage. To prevent child marriage, the Child Marriage Restriction Act 1929 shall come into force on the first day of April 1930. In this child means a person who, if a male has not completed 21 years of age and if a female has not completed 18 years of age, concerned as a child. It fixed the marriageable rate of girls at 14 years and 18 years for boys, popularly known as Sharda Act, sponsored by Harvilas Sharda. Male between 18 to 21 years contract the child marriage should be punished with simple imprisonment, which may be extended to 15 days, or with fine, which may be extended to 2,000 rupees or both. Male about 21 years contract with child marriage shall be punished with imprisonment. It may be extended to 3 months and fine. Second Act, Child Marriage Act 2006. In this rigorous imprisonment, which may extend to 2 years and shall be liable to fine, which may extend to 1 lakh. Third, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill was introduced on 21 December 21. It amended the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, increases the age of marriage of girls from 18 to 21 years. In 2016, UNICEF together with UNFPA launched a global program to end child marriage and empowering young girls. In India has seen a steady decline in the prevalence of child marriage from 47.4% in 2005, 23.3% in 2021. The progress of India has led to a 50% decline in child marriage in South Asia. Thank you so much.